10 highly effective marketing strategies. These 10 small business marketing strategies are highly effective for smart entrepreneurs. You have to think creatively before implementing these strategies. If you are confused about any marketing strategies, then you can ask your questions in comment box. Our team will love to help you to get proper marketing solution. 1. Create a short story movie with your product story. 2. Write marketing plan and follow it step by step. 3. Understand your competitors' strategies and learn from it. 4. Write unique selling proposition and work on it. 5. Organize small function at private and gov college. 6. Use well-designed creative business cards. 7. Marketing on local cable TV station. 8. Try advertising on radio. 9. Start Instagram marketing. 10. Free gifts and giveaway marketing. Make sure that you write your own opinion about these marketing strategies in comments section. We love to know your thoughts about these marketing strategies. Do you like it? So, share this video with your friends. If you are not our YouTube subscriber, then you might have seen our video on this topic. For more video and for support us, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.